Hi everyone, my name is Amy and we are Softtrix, a Google Premier partner. We have worked with hundreds of real estate clients and we have managed millions of dollars in terms of the budgets for them. So there are a few questions that I am regularly asked. Why the Google AdWords account does not generate leads? So now the primary issue for this is the quality of the clicks that you are getting, because we have seen hundreds of Google AdWords accounts and most of them have the same issues, that they are using the broad match keywords. They are getting the clicks from the generic search term. So when I say that, we can take this as an example. Suppose that we have a real estate agent in London, Ontario, and over there they have the keyword like home in London. So now you can see the keywords is very generic. There is no intent behind the keyword. We need to target the keyword like houses for sale in London. So now you can see that the keyword is in itself an intent based keyword. The ad will only show to those visitors that are actually looking to purchase the specific house in their location. So the primary issue with almost all the account that we see is, first, the clicks are not relevant. They are using the broad match keyword. They are paying a very high CPC that they should not be paying. So now with the high CPC, what I mean is they have the budget of $50 a day. They are paying $5 for a click, and that means only 10 clicks per day. So now 10 clicks per day means 0 to 1 lead per day. That will not be beneficial. We need to make sure we are paying the lowest possible CPC. For this kind of industry, the CPC should be between $0.5 to $1. Then only we will be able to see the results that we are looking for. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC account and then we can actually send you the free audit report. So in the audit report, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then don't worry about it. You can just share with us some basic information. It can be the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.